Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how you can register yourself for Samvad Telecaller application and how you can create your telecallers into the application. So let's get started. So to register yourself, you need to go to samvad.telecallerapp.com. Once you log in, you will see a sign up page. Here you need to enter your full name, your registered WhatsApp number, your email ID, your company name, your password, confirm your password. Okay. After filling all this detail, just click on I agree and click on continue. As soon as you click on continue, you will get an OTP on the number that you have given over here. So I have received the OTP. This OTP will be valid only for 5 minutes. So make sure you input it really quick. Now I have entered my OTP. I'll click on sign up. After successful registration, you will get a confirmation message on your WhatsApp with the CRM URL, your username and your password. So I have received the one. Now I'll enter my registered mobile number. I'll enter the password and submit. Well, I have successfully logged in to my Samvad Telecaller application. Now, my main task would be creating telecallers into the application. So let's see how we can do it. Let's suppose in your organization, if you have more than 5 or 10 telecallers in your team, तो आप one by one users तो create नहीं करोगे. So the best way to create this user is through the import process. Let's see how we can create a bulk users. So to create them, I'll go to my profile and I'll click on admin. After clicking on admin, I'll go to the user management screen. In the user management screen, I can create a single user from here. As you can see, I can click on the plus icon and create a single user, or I can import the users. Let's see how we can do that. Just besides the plus icon, I have the import option. I'll click on the import option. I'll download the template, the file template. As I said, that CRM has a predefined template which you can use to import your users into the CRM. So I'll download this template. So this is my format to import the users. I just have to enter the details of the telecallers. So let's see how we can do that. I have my usernames over here. So I'll take them, the first and last name. Okay. Username. Username will always be a phone number. So as I have already taken their phone numbers, I'll paste it. Okay. Now status. As you can see, there is a drop down written over here. So if you want to know what are the status, you can go to the upload screen and download the drop downs which are mentioned in the CRM. So we have already downloaded it. So our status is active and inactive. So all the users are active. I'll mention them over here. Okay. What is my user type? It is again a drop down. So I'll check in my drop down list. My user type is it a regular user. It is not the system admin. So I'll copy and paste. Okay. Their designation. What is the designation in that organization? So I'll mention in as telecaller, paste, in which department they are working. So let's say they are working in telesales. What are their roles? This is the most important part of the import process. So let's see in roles what roles we have already given into the Samvad application. So in the roles we have a telecaller role and a team leader role. Team leader will be the one who will be monitoring the entire performance of the telecallers. So right now we are creating telecallers. So we'll take the role as telecaller and paste it over here. Okay. Now I have to configure a password for them. So at present, I'll keep a common password for everyone. Okay. Now my user sheet is created. Let's download it and import this user in the Samvad. We have downloaded the user data. Let's import it into this Samvad Telecaller application. So I'll go to my import screen. I'll browse the file. Okay, I'll create new users. Click on next. Okay. So the next screen will give you an overview of what data is present in your Excel sheet with the headers. Just verify once and just verify the counts, that how many users that you are creating. Click on next. The next screen will ask you to map the fields with the Excel sheet. So the left side is the header of the Excel sheet and the right side are the data mentioned in the Excel sheet. We need to map this header with the CRM fields. So this is my first name, my last name, my username, my status, what is the user type, designation, department, what is the role, and their password. As we have successfully mapped these fields, we'll click on next. This screen will give you an option to find duplicate usernames. If you feel that some numbers are repeated in the CRM, they should not be created, then you can just drag and drop the username part. If I want to check if this username is duplicate, then it should not create an user in the CRM. So I can just drag and drop it over here. Here you can enter a predefined format like the mapping that we have done. If you want to create users in future and you don't want to do this mapping again, you can save this mapping. User mapping, and I'll click on import. Once I click on import, I'll get a progress bar at the top. I'll click on it and it will show me how many users did I import, how many users are created. If there is any duplicate record, yes, there was a duplicate record. We checked it on the username, so this is a duplicate record. It didn't create a user. Okay, and there are 0 errors. If I want to see this users in my CRM, I'll go to the admin, user management. Okay, so these are the users that are created in my CRM. So this is how you can create telecallers in the CRM. In the next video, we will see how you can clean your prospect data before importing it into Samvad Telecaller application. Thank you.